Welcome to this inner child healing meditation. In this meditation, we will connect with your inner child, the part of you that holds your childhood memories, emotions, and experiences. By nurturing and listening to this part of yourself, you can heal past wounds, release emotional blockages, and offer love and comfort to your inner child. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be straight and your hands to rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding in your body. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale, letting your body relax and your mind become calm and clear. Begin to focus on your breath, noticing its gentle rhythm as you breathe in and out. With each breath, allow yourself to settle more deeply into this moment, creating a space of peace and stillness. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, centering yourself. Now bring your attention inward and visualize yourself walking along a peaceful path in a beautiful, natural setting. As you walk, feel the soft ground beneath your feet and the warmth of the sun on your skin. You are safe and supported as you move through this peaceful place. Ahead of you, notice a child sitting quietly, waiting for you. This child is your inner child, the younger version of yourself who still holds your deepest emotions, hopes, and dreams. Approach your inner child slowly, with love and compassion. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, preparing to connect. As you reach your inner child, take a moment to sit down beside them. Gently observe their appearance, how they look, how they feel, and what emotions they may be holding. There's no need to rush or force anything. Simply be present with your inner child, offering them your full attention and care. In this moment, ask your inner child how they are feeling. Are they carrying any sadness, fear, or hurt? Are there any unhealed wounds that they wish to share with you? Listen closely to whatever they may express, without judgment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, holding space for your inner child. As your inner child shares their feelings, gently open your heart to them. Let them know that they are safe now, that you are here to protect and comfort them. Visualize yourself wrapping your inner child in a warm, loving embrace, offering them the love and care they may not have received in the past. Imagine a soft golden light glowing in your heart, expanding with each breath. This light represents unconditional love and healing energy. Allow this golden light to surround your inner child, filling them with warmth, safety, and comfort. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, sending healing energy to your inner child. As you continue to hold your inner child in this space of love, invite them to release any emotional wounds, pain, or sadness they may be carrying. You may notice these feelings taking the shape of dark clouds, heavy stones, or tangled knots. With each breath, visualize these heavy emotions dissolving into the light, releasing from your inner child's body and heart. As these emotional burdens are released, your inner child feels lighter, freer, and more joyful. They are no longer weighed down by the past, and they are open to receiving love and healing. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, letting go of the past. Now that your inner child has released their emotional wounds, take a moment to simply be with them. Hold their hand, embrace them, or sit quietly beside them, feeling the deep connection you share. Let your inner child know that you are always here for them, that you will continue to protect and nurture them. Visualize your inner child smiling, feeling safe, loved, and cherished. They are no longer alone in their pain. You are here to guide and support them. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling the bond between you and your inner child grow stronger. As we begin to close this meditation, imagine gently inviting your inner child to merge with you, becoming a part of your present self. Visualize them stepping into your heart space, where they are safe, protected, and surrounded by love. Your inner child is now a part of you, healed and whole, and you carry their joy, curiosity, and playfulness with you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling the integration of your inner child within you. As we close this meditation, take a moment to honor the healing and connection you have created with your inner child. Know that you can return to this space whenever you need to, offering love and comfort to this part of yourself. You are whole, you are loved, and you are complete. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling the love and peace radiating through your entire being. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of healing and wholeness with you throughout your day. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.